You're about to discover a secret. The secret of efficiency. A hidden arsenal of tools that top creators, developers, and students use to work smarter, not harder. Tools that handle the tedious, unlock creativity, and solve problems in seconds, not hours. This isn't just a list of websites. This is your productivity weaponized. Part 1. The File and Text Masters. File.io. The ultimate digital sticky note. Need to send a file instantly, with no signups, no clutter, and self-destructing privacy? File.io is your one-time secure courier. Upload, get a link, send it. The file vanishes after a single download. Perfect for sensitive documents. Expert use. Share a database config file with a colleague without it living forever on a server. This how it works. Quick guide. Step 1. Simply visit the website using your browser. Step 2. Click on Upload Files. Step 3. Select the file you want to share, image, PDF, or any document. In this example, I select a PDF file. Step 4. Click Open and wait for a few seconds for the upload to complete. Step 5. A secure shareable link is already generated. Step 6. Click Share button and copy the link and share it with anyone. Tips. Number 1. You can share the link via email or Gmail. Just enter the email address to send the download link to. Number 2. Files on File.io are automatically deleted after being downloaded once, unless you change the settings. Number 3. You can share the download link via nearby device if there is any in your ambience. OnlineOCR.net. Stuck with a scanned PDF or an image and need the text inside? This is your digital key. OnlineOCR converts images of text into actual, editable, and copyable text in over 100 languages. From PDFs to photos of whiteboards, text unlocked. Expert use. Digitize notes from a textbook or extract text from a screenshot for a citation. Quick guide on how it works. Simply visit the website with any browser of your choice. Click on Select File and choose the file you want. I select PDF file. Choose the language. I choose English. Select either Microsoft Word, Docs, Microsoft Excel, XLSX, or Text, TXT. In this example, I choose Text. After that, click on Convert. OnlineOCR will convert your file to whatever file format you've chosen. And that is all. Super simple, right? You can download the text. It is 100% free. There is advanced features for multi-page PDF, zip, etc. starting from $5.95. Part 2. The Creator's Engine Room. Docs.google.com. Beyond basics, everyone knows Google Docs. But the expert move? Using it as a free, collaborative IDE, a storyboard planner, or a dynamic research hub with its Explore tool and linked spreadsheets. It's the ultimate live workspace. Pro tip: use it mentions to link to other docs, create checklists, and embed charts dynamically. Vecteezy.com. Stock images, but with a superpower, vectors. Need a logo element, an icon, or a background that can scale to infinity without losing quality. Vecteezy offers thousands of free and premium vector graphics, edited directly in your browser. Expert use. Quickly grab a vector icon to mock up a UI design in Figma without copyright issues. ClipDrop.co. This feels like magic. Remove backgrounds, clean up images, or even relight a photo with AI in one click. But its killer feature? Uncrop. Use AI to intelligently expand the borders of any image. Mind-blowing for social media graphics. Expert use. Extend a product photo to fit a new banner size without awkward stretching. Part 3. The Knowledge and Skill Forge. W3schools.com. The undisputed, instant reference Bible for web development. Forget sifting through dense documentation. Need the exact syntax for a CSS grid or a JavaScript array method? W3 Schools gives you a clear example in 10 seconds. It's the programmer's Swiss Army knife. Expert use. Use the Try It Yourself editor to test a code snippet live while debugging. TeachYourselfCS.com, a university-level computer science degree, curated and self-directed. If you want to move from coding to true computer science, this is your roadmap. It lists the 9 foundational subjects and the best textbooks and resources to master each one. Expert use. Follow its OS or networking recommendations to build deep, interview-crushing knowledge. Exercism.org. Learning by doing, with a mentor. This platform offers coding challenges in 78+ languages, but its genius is the mentor review system. After you solve a problem, a human gives you feedback on your code. It's the fastest way to write not just working, but professional code. Expert use. Use it to learn a new language's idioms, not just its syntax. Part 4. The Essential Utilities. Deadlinkchecker.com. The silent guardian of your website's health and SEO. Before you publish a blog or update your portfolio, run it through here. It instantly finds every broken link, missing image, or outdated redirect, saving your credibility and search rankings. Expert use. Schedule a monthly check for your website to maintain pristine link hygiene. UI8.net. Why start from scratch? This is a treasure trove of high-quality, ready-to-use UI kits, icons, illustrations, and templates for Figma, Sketch, and more. It turbocharges your design workflow, letting you build professional mockups at lightning speed. Expert use. Buy a well-rated admin dashboard kit to prototype a SaaS product in a weekend. These tools remove friction. They turn hours into minutes and ideas into reality. Your mission isn't to use all of them today. Bookmark this video. Pick one that solves a current headache. Master it. Then come back for another. The gap between you and the experts isn't just talent. It's knowing which lever to pull. Now you know. Smash that like button if this unlocked a new tool for you. Subscribe for more deep dives into tools that give you the edge. What's your favorite hidden tool? Drop it in the comments section. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.